Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are completely new to Notions and want to learn how to get started, you are in the right place. In this easy tutorial, I will show you exactly how to use Notions step by step, from setting up your account to creating pages using template and staying organized. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first of all, what actually is Notion? So first, what is Notion? Notion is an all-in-one workspace. It is combines notes, tasks, database, calendars, and more all in one place. You can use it for personal productivity, work, project, journaling, or even managing a whole team. And the best part is it is completely free to get started. Now, you just need to create your account. So let's set up your account. So you just need to go to the notions.so and then sign up with your email or Google account. Once you are in, you will land on your Notions home workspace. This is where all your pages and projects will live. And now let's get familiar with the interface. So here you can see this is the interface you will get to see. On the left you will see the sidebar. Here you can see it actually. This shows your pages, workspace, and shared folders. The main area on the right is where you will build your pages. Then you can drag and drop, add blocks, and customize almost anything. At the top, you have the search and setting and share buttons. So here you can see this is the top toolbar, and it is super simple once you play around it with it, and you will become so much familiar. Now let's create our first page. So alright, let's create our first page. You just need to click the plus button. So here you can see this is the thing. So if you want to create a private page for you, so you just need to click on the place this button, new page button, and in the sidebar you will find it, and just click over here and give the new page a name. It could be anything. For example, I'm going to give a name that will be my task, and here actually you can see it. So you can start by adding simple text or click the slash command to see all blocks you can. So you just need to come over here and let's add slash, and you will able to see all these things. So I'm going to add heading. The heading will be how to use Notions as a student, and here actually you can see it already been done. So you can add like headings, to-do lists, bullet points, images, or even databases. So everything in Notion is built with blocks. A block can be text, a checklist, an image, an embedded file, or a table. You just need to type to open the block menu. For example, type to do to add a checklist, or heading to add a big heading. You can drag blocks to record them, turn them into other blocks, or even nest them inside toggles. And one of the best way to save time in Notion is to use template. You just need to click to the template. Here you can see this is the template option. You just need to click over here into the sidebar, or start with the template option button. When you create a page, you will see tons of free templates for things like meeting, notes, habit tracker, project management, and more. Pick one you like and customize it for your needs. Here you can actually see this is the template, so you can use all of them. So I think this is the freelancer workspace. As a freelancer, I think this one is quite good, so I'm going to use on this one. Before I'm going to preview this one. So here actually you can see it was really good, so I am going to apply it on my page. So I'll click on add to private, or I will go with this one. So I will click on add private. It was being added in here. So here you can see it already been added. So now you can customize it as you want. So you can see the project, brand strategy, then the new page. So it's really amazing. You can drag and drop here. Then you can see your clients in here. You can see this is the client one, phone number, email. It is so much organized in here. You can add projects. It is the calendar. You can add the calendar, then add stop like unpaid invoice, you will get to see in that place. So the main thing is templates makes your work so much easy. So you just need to pick on you like and customize it for your needs. So another powerful feature in Notion's database, you can create a table board like Kanban, list, calendar, or Claric view. For example, you just need to click and slash, like let's say I will go over here and I will go to the new block and then search for slash, and let's find it out the table. And here you can see I already got the table and I already make the table. If you want to add more row, you will like add it easily. So for example, you can use this for task, content planning, or tracking expense. You can filter short and create different views. It is super flexible. Then you can add widgets and embed it. Like Notions lets you embed other contents too. You can embed it Google's Docs, YouTube videos, PDFs, or even link to Figma and Trello boards. You just need to be type embedded like slash. Always use the slash and you will find out your blocks. And now you just need to be search embedded, and you can see this is the embedded option. We already got it, and I just need to be paste my link. I would just want to embed it in my blocks. So it is so much easy one. So it is so much easy also. Now let's talk about the collaborate and share. So like if you want to work with other people, you just need to be click to the share in that panel. Just click over here at the top right of any page. You can invite teammates by email, share a public link, or you can set permission like view, comment, or edit. This makes Notions great for team project too. Like the process is really simple. You just need to click to the publish, and if you click to the publish, then you will get this link in here as you can see it. So you can add like do the search engine indexing, then duplicate as template, embed this page. Like click over here and you just need to copy the code. Now if you paste it here, like let's say I'm going to paste it and I will click on embed, that will paste it in here. This embed could not be loaded, so it is not uploaded. So now you can see the page is live on this one. This is the domain name. If I click on here visit site, and you will able to see it in here. So here you can see how easy the process was. It already become an website for us. Now I can add any text for that place. Then you can choose the site setting also. You can edit it as if you want. You can duplicate the template, like let's this one, and we are going to unpublish this one. Just click over here and it already become unpublished. So there is a couple of options we have which is really helpful for us. We just need to explore it and understand it properly so we can use it further for our work, make it more simple. So now let's give you a bonus tip, that is don't forget Notions works on Windows, Macs, iOS, and also Android. So you just need to download the app to stay organized and go and sync everything across your device. So that's it for today. You are ready to start using Notions like a pro. If you found this beginner tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more productivity guides, and comment below if you would like an advanced Notion tutorial next. Thanks for watching. I hope you will watch my whole video. Thanks.